Hi guys, Candis with Ponoka Chrysler. So today I want to show you a truck in our used inventory. It is a Ram Rebel. It's a 2017. Just got it in, just got it all cleaned up, so it's ready for you to come take a look at. Let's flip the camera around and have a look. Okay, so this beautiful Rebel is in brilliant black. In the front there you have your tow hooks. You have your 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Coming around to your tires, you have upgraded tires and flaps. Lots of tread left on these tires. 17-inch. I'm gonna grab my keys here. Sorry, a little honk in the back. You have your unlock lock and your air ride suspension along with your factory remote start. I'm gonna press this air ride suspension. And as you guys can see, the truck is drastically lowering. Takes a little bit. But that mud flap should come pretty much right down to the ground. There you go. And then when you get in, so we're just gonna unlock. Also comes with keyless entry. So on your door here, you have your unlock lock, your windows, as well as your mirror adjust, some storage in the door. Leather and cloth seating. You have the tracks that only the Rebel has on the seats. The Rebel symbol there. Step it on in. Start it up. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The center here, we're just gonna look at the kilometers. 32,403 kilometers only on this truck. You have your Uconnect on the steering wheel there, as well as your cruise control over on the right. Here's your LCD screen, your radio. Your controls, you can do your heated seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, beautiful clear backup camera. Press the X there, it's hard to do when I'm looking through the screen of the camera. Your climate control as well as your Uconnect. Your climate control can also be controlled just below. Down here we have your trailer tow brakes as well as your trailer tow button. And here's that air ride suspension that I was talking about. So as you can see, we're at the lowest point right now. We're just gonna bring it up. We can bring it up a couple. And I can feel myself raising right now. And we can even go one more. So, pretty cool feature to have. Also, I was talking with one of our parts guys, and I didn't know this, but once you get up to highway speed, it will automatically lower to the perfect highway speed that it needs to be at to be more aerodynamic. So in your center, you have a place for your phones, your center console. Go around to the back. So lots of room back here. Under our mats that our lovely cleaning people put is some storage in the floor on either side. Same thing if you lift these seats up, there's some storage on either side. This also folds out, offering you a nice flat surface. I find it handy. I have a big dog. That way my dog doesn't need to be on my seat. Okay, coming around to the back, you have your trailer tow package. Your camera's located there on the tailgate along with a locking tailgate. Spray in box liner. You got LCD lights on either side of your box. Alright, so that concludes our walk around of this 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel. If you'd like to take this truck for a test drive, we'd be happy to have you here. Just give us a call at 403-783-5383. Or you can visit us online at ponokachrysler.com to view our extensive inventory. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and thank you all for watching. Have a great day.